I want us to write this in scientific notation. I'm going to go ahead and multiply 8 times 6.6 using my calculator. I'm going to go ahead and group these together. I'm going to use 8 times 6.6, and then I'm going to group the 10 to the 4th times 10 to the negative 1 over here. So I'll just regroup these here. Of course, 8 times 6.6 using that calculator. Hopefully you guys got way down here. I got 52.8. You guys get that? 10 to the 4th times 10 to the negative 1. Well, I know that if I'm multiplying same base, then I add the exponent, so I'll have a 4 plus a negative 1, which is to the 3rd. So right now I have 52.8 times 10 to the 3rd. But this isn't in the scientific notation right here. This piece isn't. It's supposed to be a unit spot, then the decimal. Well, I have a tenth spot, unit spot, then decimal. So I need to take this decimal, right, and move it over 1. So this is going to become 5.28 times 10 to the, well, I moved it over to the left at 9. This is 52. Now it's going down to 5, so it tells me it's a positive 1. See there, guys? So I have that 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 3rd, and now I'll get, what, 5.28 times, well, I'm using this property again, right? Say, on 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 3rd, so I'm going to add 1 plus 3, and I'll get times 10 to the 4th power. Again, just to go over that again, I went ahead and took this decimal, moved it over 1. That became 5.28 times 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 3rd. I use this property again, 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 3rd is 10 to the 1 plus 3, or 10 to the 4th. And hopefully, just scoop that up, you guys see that we have 5.28 times 10 to the 4th power.